We're on board the second Boeing 787 Dreamliner, rolling towards runway 23 at Tokyo Haneda Airport, lining up for an early morning takeoff. ANA and Boeing are taking the test airplane on one of two flights to Osaka, part of a week-long simulation as the Japanese carrier prepares to put the 787 into service. And we're off, heading southwest to Kansai International Airport. At the controls, ANA Captain Kazushige Higami, flying alongside 787 Chief Pilot Mike Carricker. In the cabin, the Boeing flight test team is joined by ANA technicians and engineers who get a chance for some hands-on experience in troubleshooting potential issues.
Just 2 years I was just reading documents and touching all the screens from the ground, but in this airplane I could see with my real eyes.
Just minutes after takeoff, the passengers are treated to a Japanese treasure. The famous Mount Fuji, Japan's highest mountain, pokes through the clouds, offering a nice photo op. The 787 barely has a chance to flex its wing before it's time to descend toward Osaka. We arrive at Kansai International, a major hub for ANA's flights all over Asia. The 787 pulls into a gate where the exercise really ramps up. Technicians try connecting the hose that supplies cold air to the airplane while it's on the ground. Cargo loaders drive up to simulate loading containers in the front and back. IT specialists check the Wi-Fi connection so the airline could immediately download maintenance information from the airplane. And the fuel truck pulls into position, even though the 787 has enough fuel left over to fly to Hawaii. It's all part of a service-ready validation program Boeing has used successfully in the past to help the first airline launch a brand new airplane.
We can validate the airplane's design in the infrastructure, but it's to give them experience with the airplane so that when they go into service, they're prepared, they're ready, they can have fast turns.
The 787 stop at Kansai International comes a day after it flew to nearby Atami Airport, which caters to domestic flights in and out of Osaka. ANA technicians there perform the same procedures and checks at multiple gates. Next on the schedule, the 787 will head to airports in Okayama and Hiroshima for more test conditions. Back at Kansai, the crews wrap up their work in 2 hours, and just like that, the 787 is pulling back from the gate. It's time to say goodbye and head back to Tokyo. On the way to the runway, we see what is becoming a familiar sight: hundreds of people gathering on rooftops to catch a glimpse of the 787. All right, wheels up, on to the next stop.